Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the footprint and a rough track plan, so decisions later are faster and more accurate. Once chosen, build the support frame using 2x4 space 16 on center or assemble modular 1/2 MDF panels. This prevents sagging under scenery. Make the top from 3/4 plywood for stability. Mark the track outline directly on the top, including curves and clearances, because early layout clarity saves hours of rework later and keeps wiring runs predictable. You now fix the roadbed and lay the track with deliberate cuts and joints rather than forcing fit. Once the roadbed is glued, pin, or screw track in place, then solder feeders every 3-4 feet to a color-coded bus to avoid voltage drop. If you choose DCC, designate power districts and locate boosters. If DC, separate blocks and add isolated gaps. Make sure to test continuity after each section so troubleshooting is localized, and wiring mistakes don't propagate into the final scenery. You finish by building terrain with plaster cloth over foam, then prime and paint earth tones so ground cover blends convincingly. Once glue and paint dry, apply static grass ballast track with fine 0.5 mm stone and place buildings using mounting screws or adhesive for maintenance access. Finally, run stage tests, slow speed, full load, and reversing loops to find mechanical issues. If a persistent derailment or short occurs, isolate the section, recheck wheel clearances, and track alignment. Fixing those usually resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.